Today I want to show you how to make a winter wax resist drawing using a white oil pastel and watercolors. For my background, I used construction paper. You can use white paper or any paper that you have. For the drawing, I am using the white oil pastel to create a winter wonderland scene. The wax resist drawings turn out really well when there are a lot of details included, so you'll see me adding lots of wintry things to this drawing. Snowflakes, the wind is blowing, the snow rolling over the hills, a pine tree forest in the background, and a polar bear. Some clouds, a snowman, and some more snow. Now here's where the magic happens. We're going to use watercolors. You can directly paint over the white pastel using the watercolors and it will still show through. I am blending some blues, purples, and pinks to create a nice snowy scene. Because the oil pastel blocks the watercolor from being absorbed in the paper, the designs will still show through. Here we're showing another example on white paper, so it is harder to see right now as we're drawing, but once we add the watercolor, you will watch the magic happen. Once again, using the watercolors to blend cool colors like blues, purples, and pinks, painting directly over the oil pastel drawing, and watching it appear.